Algebra model number 9. Look at with me about question number 1. Choose the correct answer. Number 1 here. All values are equal, then sigma will be equal 0. Sigma here reverse to the derivative division. Okay, it will be 0 here. Choose letter C. Next question number 2. If the point negative, we have the point x minus 4 and 2 minus x lies in third quadrant. Third quadrant, it's meaning the sign here it will be negative and negative. Then x will be what? Okay, we have x minus 4 and 2 minus x. X where we want to find the value of x. Letter 1, from 2 to 4 or not closed, he give us 2 to 4. Put 2 here, 2 minus 4, it will be negative 2. And put here 2 minus 2 0. So this false, interval here false, because the result was negative 2 and 0 from this interval. Letter A was false. Okay, it's a false. Look at here from 2 and 4 opened. Its meaning, put a number lies between 2 and 4, such that 3. Put 3 here, 3 minus 4, it will be negative 1. And put 3 here, 2 minus 3, it will be negative 1. Then you must choose the opened intervals from 2 to 4. Choose letter P. What about letter C here? From negative 4 to negative 3 closed. Put negative 4 here, it will be negative 8. And put negative 4 here, it will be negative 6, it will be exactly. And put negative 3 again, it will be negative 7. But he give us from negative 4 to negative 3. Again, letter C. He give us the interval from negative 4 to negative 3. Put negative 2 here. It will be negative and negative. Here we have negative 3 to negative 4 only. Negative 3 and negative 4. Negative 3 or negative 4. Negative 3 here. It will be negative 7. And here negative will be positive. Okay, it false because the sign here will change, because negative times negative equal positive. But letter B truly. Why? Because we will put 3 here, x minus here, write 3 minus 4, it will be negative 1, and put 3 here, 2 minus 3, it will be negative 1. Then it will be negative and negative, then you must choose letter B in this example. Question letter C. If x plus 3 over y equal x plus 3, it was y, sorry, it's not clear with you. Okay, my students, x here, y plus 3 over y equal x plus 3 over x. We want to find the relation between x and y. First step, we can use the properties product of extremes equal product of means. Y times x plus 3 equal x times y plus 3. Y times x, it will be yx, and 3 times y, it will be 3y. X times y, it will be yx, and 3 times x, it will be 3x. We can cancel yx by yx. Then 3y equal 3x, cancel 3 by 3. Then we have directly with y and x. Choose the relation here, number 1. Choose this. Question here, number 2. Find the arithmetic mean and the standard deviation for all the value. You can solve this example by find x bar in the first step. 73 plus 54 plus 62 plus 71 plus 60. Divide the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then you can draw the table. You can complete this example. It's very easy for you. Okay, right here x and x subtract x bar and x subtract x bar power 2, and then you can find summation of this result here, and then you can find standard deviation equal square root of summation of x subtract x bar power 2 divided the number of elements. Okay, it's very easy to solve. Complete this example with yourself. Okay. Question number 2. Number 1. If the straight line x equal to line of symmetry for x, you have the function f of x equal x power 2 plus kx plus 4. Then k will be equal. Okay, line symmetry of this function here. It's meaning what? It's meaning the vertex of this point x equal negative b over 2a. Okay, x equal negative b over 2a from this function, and x equal 2, then we can write 2 here. This is the result equal to. We have negative b here, it will be k, negative k over 2 product a here equal 1, 2 times 1 equal 2. We can complete here again. Negative b over 2a, b here equal k, then you can write negative k over 2 product a here equal 1, 2 times 1 equal 2, then negative k equal negative k will be equal 2 times 2 equal 4, then k will be equal negative 4. The value of k here it will be negative 4. Next question, number 2. If e over p equal p over c equal c over d, then you want to find the ratio between e and a over d. Not clear here. Okay, it's a over d. Okay, we can find the result here. We give us a over b equal b over c equal c over d. Then you can write here relation between them. E over b will be b equal over c, it's continued proportional, c over d equal m. Put m here. Then a will be equal d product by m power 3, and p will be equal dm power 2, and c will be equal dm. You want to find the ratio between a and d, then you can divide it a over d. A here was dm power 3, and write d. You can cancel d by d, then the result will be m power 3. Okay, m power 3. Where is the result here? E over d it will be m power 3, where m, this number, e over b equal b over c equal c over d, then e over d. It's not clear with me, my students. Okay, you must put digits here, 5 power 3 or what? E over d, m power 3. The result will be m power 3. E over b equal b over c equal c over d. We can put the constant here such that a number 2 here, then 2 power 3 it will be 8, or what? It's not clear example. Okay, this is the result. About the example, the result will be m power 3. Question number 3. If x Cartesian product with y are two sets where x intersection by y, we have x and y, we call that x and y are two sets where x intersection by y equal element 2 from Venn diagram. We have x and y, and we have 2 here, and x difference y, but we want to find the product between x and y intersection y product by x. Again, he want to find the product between x and y intersection by y product by x. We have two sets, the intersection between them equal to. This is the intersection between product, Cartesian product about first and second. Okay, are two sets. We have two sets, the intersection between equal to, then the result will be what? I don't know element here and here, but you can write x equal 2 and a number, okay, such that 1, put here 1 and put here 3, okay, and y equal 2 and 3. Then the intersection between them product between 2 and 2. the common between them, because 2 is belonging to the first and 2 belonging to the second. Then the result will be 2 and 2, because the intersection between equal to. Then the intersection between them, it will be the point 2 and 2. Choose letter C. Intersection between them, the set of 2 and 2. Okay, understood? The Cartesian product between them, it will be the set of 2 and 2. Here choose letter D. Okay, choose letter D about this example. Next question. If 2x over 3 equal 3y over 2 equal 5x, it's not clear my students, okay, pay attention, 5z over 4. Okay, he won't find the result of 2x plus 3y plus 5z over 6x plus 6y plus 10z. First step, we can add all ratios to find this numerator here. Okay, the first step here, we must add ratio 1, add 2, ratio 2, add 2, ratio 3, add 1, ratio 1 to ratio 2 to ratio 3. Okay, then you can write 2x plus 3y plus 5z over 3 plus 2, 5 plus 4, it will be 9, equal each one of ratio. Each one of ratio, okay? It's relation number 1. And you want to find 6x plus 6y plus 10z. We can find this y by product, the first by 3, and second by 2, and third by 2. Then ratio 1 product by what? By 3. 2x to be 6x multiplication by 3. Ratio 1 product by 3. Add 2 ratio number 2 product by what? By 2, because 2 times 3 equals 6. Product by 2. And add 2 ratio number 3 product by 2, because 2 times 5 equal 10. Product by 2. Okay, then we can product by 3 here. 3 times 2 equals 6. We can write 6x. And here 3 times 3 equal 9. And 2 times 3 equals 6. Write 6y. And 2 times 2 equal 4. And the third times 2 times 5 equal 10, 10z. And here 2 times 4 equal 8. And then the result is the simplest. We can write 6x plus 6y plus 10z over 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 8 equal 21. This relation and here relation. And then you can write equality between them, because it will be equal each one of the ratio, and here equal each one the ratio. Then the relation 1 will be equal relation 2. You can complete, write equality between them. 2x plus 3y plus 5z over 6x plus 6y plus 10z equal what? It will be product this over 9 and this over 21. 21 product by 2x, right here 21, and here times by 9. Okay, and then you can simplest the result here by divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 21 divided by 3 equals 7. The result will be 3 over 7. Then the value will be 3 over 7. It's the result. Okay. Next question. If x equal -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and our relation on x where a relation is b, c means a plus b equals 0. We have first x was equal set of -2 and -1 and 0 and 1 and 2, and we can write the relation -2 with 2 and 2 and -2 and -1 and 1, 1 and -1, 0 and 0. It's a relation. Write relation, okay, and draw it arrow diagram. Right here 0, 1 and -1, 2 and -2, 0 from itself, 1 to 1 and 1 to -1, 2 to -2 and -2 to 2. Okay, it's relation. We called it, this relation would be function because each element has one arrow diagram. Each element is a function because each element in x has only one arrow to itself, to another, has only one arrow. Okay, has only one arrow to the image. Okay, function because each element in x has only one arrow to the image. Question B. We have 5a and 6b and 7c and 8d are in continued. You want prove that left hand side, right hand side. We have continued, it's meaning continued proportional. Okay, it's meaning 5a over 6b equal 6b, 6b, okay, over 7c equal 7c over 8d. Okay, it's continued. We can write here x and x not equal 0. Then 5a equal 8d x power 3, and I will put 6b equal 8d x power 2, and 7d equal 8d x. Okay, here you want to find cubic root of 5a over 8d. We can complete here. 5a was 8d x power 3. 8d in denominator. You can cancel 8d by 8d, then the result will be cubic root of x power 3. The result will be x. And here square root of 5a plus 6b over 7c plus 8d. 5a equal 8d x power 3 and 6b equal 8 dx power 2, and here 7c was 8 dx plus 8d you can write the head common factor between two terms 8d and x power 2, then the remainder will be x plus 1, and here write 8d, the result will be x plus 1, cancel brackets by brackets, and 8d by 8d, square root of x power 2, it will be x, then the left hand side will be equal right hand side. Question number 4, if f of x was equal to x plus k, and we have g of x equal x power 2 plus k, and f of 2 plus g of negative 4 equal 30. We want to find f of negative 2 plus f of 2. Okay, first I will put f of x here, put x equal to in this relation. Okay, pay attention with me about the steps here. I will put in this relation 2, put x equal to, then f of 2 equal what? 2 times 2, it will be 4, and write k, plus, and this function here, put x equal negative 4. Negative 4 power 2, it will be 16, plus k equals 30. In this relation, you can find the value of k. 4 plus 16, it will be 20, and k plus k, it will be 2k equal 30. Then 2k equals 30 minus 20 equal 10. Then you can divide it by 2, then the value of k, it will be 5. Then the function here, 2x plus 5, and this function, it will be x power 2 plus 5. Okay, now he want to find what we have here. This function was g of x, it will be x power 2 here plus 5. He want to find the value of f negative 2 plus g of 2. First, I can find the result of f negative 2 here. Put negative 2 here in this function. 2 times negative 2, it will be negative 4 plus 5, it will be equal 1. And g of 2, put 2 here. 2 power 2 equal 4. 4 plus 5 equal 9. We have two functions. Then we can write the result of f negative 2 plus g of 2. First and second. Okay, 9 plus 1, it will be 10. Then the result will be equal 10 about f of negative 2 plus g of 2. Next question. If y equal a minus 1 and a relation with x power 2 varies inversely, we want to find where a equal 4 at x equal 2, find the value of x at y equal 8. Okay, first I will write the constant here about this relation, y equal m over x power 2, where m not equal 0. Put here in this relation. Then y will be equal m over x power 2 minus 1. He give us this information, a equal 4 at x equal 2. Put here y will be equal, again he give us a equal 4, where a here. Okay, he give us here at a equal 4, x was equal to. Put in this relation to find the constant. Okay, you can find the constant from this relation here. A, put a equal 4 here, put a equal 4 equal m over x power 2. X here was 2, 2 power 2 equal 4. Then m will be equal 4 times 4 equal 16. Then the constant here will be 16. Then the relation will be y equal 16 over x power 2 minus 1. Put m equal 16 here. It's the relation. Then you want to find the value of x at y equal 8. Put y equal 8 here to find the value of x. Put here in this relation y equal 8. 8 equals 16 over x power 2 minus 1. Move the negative 1 to left hand side, then 8 plus 1 equal 9, 9 equal 16 over x power 2, then x power 2 equal, replace them, the product of extremes equal the product of means, be replace them, x power 2 equals 16 over 9, then the value of x will be positive or negative, square root of 16 over 9, the result will be what? Square root of 16, it will be 4 over 3. The result will be 4 over 3. Question number 5, letter A. (21x) subtract by y over 7x minus x equal y over z. Prove that y directly with z. Verse directly with z. We can use the properties product of streams equal product of means. 21x times z, write 21x z, subtract by yz. Cross here, y times 7x, it will be 7xy, product y times x, it will be xy. We have here similar in this example, xy or yz, y and z, and x and y. It was z. Sorry, it was z. So not kid with me, okay, my students. It was z here, y times z. Okay, 7xy and yz. You can cancel yz by yz. Then 21xz will be equal 7xy. You can cancel x by x and divided by 7. 7 divided by 7, 1. 21 divided by 7 equals 3. Then 3z equal y. Then we have the relation between them, between y and z. We have relation between y and z. Next question. We have the curve here, and straight line passing through 2 points. This point P and this point C, and we have straight line again here. This curve perpendicular cut with them 2 points, and here this is a curve and it was perpendicular, and we call this function here, this point A, as this function f of x of the curve, and they give us the function f of x of the curve was negative 1 over 3x power 2 plus kx plus m, and OA was 9. The length here was 9 units. 9 units. Then the point A will be 9 and 0. This point 9 and 0 A. Okay, and OC 3 units. This is 3 units. Then the order of C, it will be 0 and 3. Okay. We want to find the value of K and M. K and M in this relation. Okay. We know this point lies in the function, satisfies this point, satisfies this equation. Okay, because this point lies in the curve, and this point lies in the curve. Then you can put 0 and 3 was belonging to function f of x. Put in this relation x equals 0 and y equals 3. Then y here it's meaning f of x, right? 3 and 0 here, 0 times x power 2 0, and 0 times x will be 0 plus m. Then m will be equal 3. And we have another point 9 and 0 satisfies. Then you can cancel m here in the function and write 3. Okay, it's the function. We have 9 and 0 was belonging to this function again. Then we can put x equal 9 and y equal 0. Y here equals 0. Y here equals 0 in this function. And put x equal 9 here. Write negative third times 9 power 2 plus k times 9. Okay, 9 power 2, 81. Divided by 3, 27. 9 power 2 divided by 3, 27, and write negative. 9 times k, it will be 9k equals 0. Then 9k will be equal 27. Then the value of k equals 3. Then k will be 3. Write 3 here. Then we have the function here. Okay, k equals 3 and m equals 3. And he won't find the area of triangle. Okay, it's the function here. You want to find area of triangle. The area of triangle equal half times the base times the height. Then you can find the value of point B here. How? This point I will write P and 0, and this point P and 0 was belonging to the function f of x. Put x equal b and y equal 0. Put b equal x equal p here, okay? Then the result will be negative third p power 2 plus 3p plus 3 equal 0. Okay? And then you can cancel 3 by times 3 all result. Negative p power 2 plus 9b plus 9 equals 0. Product by negative 1 will be b power 2 negative 9b negative 9 equal 0. And then write p negative, we want two numbers, the product between them equal 9, and the difference between, we have the sign here about this example. 3 times 3 equal 9, and some of them, no, it's false. It was 3, sorry, it was 3, 3x and 3b. Put the point 9 and 0 in this equation to find the value k. 9, it will be y equal 9 equal, we have y equal 0 of x and x equal 9. Negative third times 9 power 2, it will be 81 plus 9 times k plus 3. Okay, 0 equal 81 divided by 3 equal 27, negative 27 plus 9k plus 3. And then 0 equal negative 27 plus 3, it will be negative 24 plus 9k. We put x equal 9 and y equal 0 in this function. Then k will be equal, we have 81 divided by 3 equal 27, negative 27 plus 3, it will be negative 24. Right, positive 24 divided by 9. Then k will be equal 24 over 9 simplest, 8 divided by 3, and 24 divided by 3 equal 8. The result will be 8 over 3. Then k here it will be 8 over 3. Okay, it's the function. Again, I put 9 and 0 in this function to find k. K equal 8 over 3. And this function will be f of x negative third x power 2 plus 8 over x plus 3. Okay, we want to find the value of p here. Put a point p and 0 satisfies the function f of x. Then put y equals 0 about this function. 0 equal negative third b power 2 plus 8 over 3 b plus 3. I put x equals p here and f of x is 0. And then you can simplest it by product by negative 3. 0 equal p power 2 subtract 8p subtract by what? 1. We times by 3 times 3, sorry, it will be 9. We product by negative 3. Pay attention with me again. I product all terms here by negative 3. Then the equation will be p power 2 subtract by 8p subtract by 9 equals 0. And then you can factorize this. P power 2 it will be p times p, and 9 it will be 1 times 9, and the sign such that the middle and here will be positive. Then b will be equal 9 or b equal negative 1. Then this point will be negative 1. Okay, this order here negative 1 and 0, because we have the solution, the intersection 9 and 0 here, and the second here negative 1 and 0. Okay, now we can find the area of this triangle. Half times base times height. This length was 1. 9 plus 1 equal 10. Then the area will be half times the base. 9 plus 1 equal 10 times the height here was 3. Half of 10, 5. 5 times 3 equal 15 square units. The area will be 15 square units. Number 10.